before Donald Trump's D.C. Circuit Court of Appeal Court. Legal analyst and former U.S. lawyer Joyce Vance, before verbal debate allegedly claiming immunity of presidency, pointed to a key question in former president cases on Sunday. The 2024 GOP waiting for decision of Court of Appeal on whether there is presidential immunity protection in election intervention at pioneer Trump. Washington, D.C. for presidential candidacy. The argument expected to end in U.S. Supreme Court. While MSNBC was on Katie Phang show on Sunday, Vance, a former U.S. lawyer for northern region of Alabama during Obama administration, D.C.He asked speed that circuit court decided Trump's presidential allegation. Neden, why didn't we see more speed than the high court? Katie Phang asked. On other hand, despite Trump's delay strategy with some judges, both Supreme Court and D.C.He sees that Court of Appeal is hopeful in terms of moving process forward. So I think this is the key question because Trump's overall strategy is delay. I hope you can win and you can solve everything in your favor from the Oval Office. And I think it was a bit surprised. Watched some judges such as this case is trying prevent any place to go the ball slowly playing. He said. Vance continued on Sunday, but now what we see in Washington is very hopeful. For people who are not lawyers, I think the speed of moving the courts is mysterious. Trump's lawyers are planned to make verbal arguments surrounding claim of presidential immunity before the 3-referee panels of D.C. Circuit Appeal Court on Tuesday. Vance's comments can accelerate process of the Supreme Court to hear and decide presidential problem. In December, when Smith resorted to fast monitoring arguments in December, there is a wrinkle that we should talk about. In movement of Jack Smith here, he asked Supreme Court hear case directly, whether they wanted go appeal court. Ask them think of taking case. So far, this request remains silent, so we don't know what they're thinking, Vance said.